Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to find hidden apps on your Android phone. The best part, you don't need to install any extra app. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. What does hidden apps mean? Hidden apps are ones that don't show on your home screen or app drawer. Sometimes they're just system apps, but sometimes they could be something someone's trying to hide, like a private browser, clone app, or a tracker. Let's start with the easiest method. We'll use your phone's built-in settings. Just go to your settings. Scroll to or search for apps, then open the app section. In the Manage App section, or App Info, it might be named differently on your phone. Now you'll see a list of all apps, even those not on your home screen. Some hidden apps will ask for camera, location, or mic access, even if you've never opened them. Let's sort them by permissions. In the app menu, click the Sort by section. You'll see options like On My Screen, Location, Microphone, Camera, SMS. Tap each category to see which apps have those permissions. If something looks odd, for example, if the calculator app is using the mic, it might be spyware or a clone. If that happens, uninstall the app or remove permissions right away. Some phones have dual app or app cloner features. These create a second hidden version of apps. You can go to your settings and search for dual app or app clone. Tap that and see if any are turned on. Or go to Manage App Settings and click Dual App. You'll see if any apps are cloned. If you see clones and didn't make them, someone may be hiding chats in a second account. Just keep that in mind. If you want to remove a dual app, disable it, and confirm when prompted, it'll uninstall both the app and its data. Dig deeper using a built-in file manager. Look for apps hidden in folders. Download any file manager and open it. Go to Device Storage. Tap Android, then Data, then look for OB. If you see odd or unknown folders, those could be hidden apps whose data isn't removed. If you find anything suspicious, delete the folder completely. That's it. Now you know how to find hidden apps on Android without installing anything extra. It's safe and beginner-friendly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and take care.